Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tenna and welcome to my circus. I know it's been a while, it's like in between holidays, Christmas is in like a week, like a bunch of crazy stuff is going on and I've just been busy and just a bunch of stuff. I just haven't had time to film, but I'm back, I'm here. We're filming, we're doing the damn thing. So basically what's going on today is that I'm getting ready to go to a holiday party and I wanted you guys to follow along with me, get ready with me as I do my holiday glam look. So we're gonna be using a couple of new products that are new for the holiday season, see how they work, all that good stuff. So if you wanna stick around, see my holiday tutorial, hang out with me, do all the cool shit, go ahead and stick around. Otherwise, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and we will go ahead and jump right on into the video. Alright, so first things first, I already have my face done, so I already have my foundation, concealer, eyebrows are on, all that good stuff. We're really just focusing on the eyes today. So what I got my hands on is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I know that we've seen plenty of this, which is why I did not do like my own like tutorial, or not tutorial, but I didn't do my own overview of the palette just because I feel like everybody's done it and it seems to be a pretty good palette. So this is the baby right here. If you have not yet seen it, we've got a lot of really cool colors in here. We've got our neutrals, we've got our bright colors. I mean, you can really create any look that you want with this palette and it's awesome. I have used it a little bit and I will say that it is a great palette. And then I do have a couple of the Morphe Glitter Fever Glitter Mabobs, because what's a holiday look without glitter? You can't have a holiday eye look without glitter. It just doesn't exist. It's not a thing that exists. So anyways, let's go ahead and pop on into this bad boy. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on my eyes, that way you guys can kind of see what I'm doing up close. All right, here we are again, all up close and personal on my face. We're gonna go ahead and jump on into this palette. So first things first, I wanna take a nice warm color. So we're actually gonna take, this big old palette here. I wanna pop into this color right here, this nice warm, kind of a orangey beige kind of a color. If you are of a lighter skin tone, you may want to use a little bit of a lighter color, just because the really light beige colors like obviously don't show up on me. They're like my same skin color. So I really want to dive into this little orange shade. So I'm going to go ahead and take a big fluffy Morphe M535 brush. We're going to go ahead and dip into there and we're going to go ahead and just wash this all into the crease just to kind of warm up and use that as our nice like beige transition color. Alright, so next I'm going to take a little bit more of a dense blending brush. This is a Morphe M330 brush. We're going to go ahead and dip into a darker color. I love that all these like pans in the middle, these like huge like neutral shades that I use the most are like massive. Super helps. So we're actually going to dip into the color right next to it, which is this guy right here. So we're going to go ahead and take a little bit on our brush. And I love these shadows. There's not really any fallout and like the payoff on them is like insane. So we're going to take that, we're going to tuck it in to the crease here, being careful. We don't want to smoke it out as much as we did the other one. Next, I'm going to take that big fluffy brush that we used the first time and go ahead and just kind of diffuse the edges here, get rid of any harsh lines. Just because nobody likes lines in their eyeshadow. We want everything to blend out seamlessly. Alright, next we're going to go in with an even more dense brush. We're going to go in with this Morphe M507 brush right here, which is a nice little blending brush, but it's very skinny and tapered. We're going to go ahead and dunk on into a darker brown shade. So what I want to do is I actually want to go into more of this like this brown right here. It's kind of like a nice little like chocolate brown right here in the corner. So I'm going to take a little bit on the brush here, get it all nice packed into the brush, and then we are also going to tuck this into the crease, adding a little bit more dimension, and we're actually going to smoke it out here on our outer corner of our eyelid. Just like, wow, that is a pigmented brown. going back in with that tapered brush that we used to lay down that darker kind of a brownie orange shade, just to kind of get rid of any harsh lines. This is a very dark brown, and it blends very, very nicely, but you just gotta work with it and just really blend the hell out of it. Alright, so next we're gonna have a little bit of fun with some of these colors. I am in like love with the champagne shade right here. That's like right, this big ass pan of champagne. I wanna go in and apply this with a finger. So we are gonna go ahead and rub our finger around in this like so. As you can see, she's on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this onto my lid. Where all this is at. This is where we're gonna get our little glam, a little bit of shimmer that we were looking for. Yes. Alright, so we've got some of our shimmer on there. I just want to lay that down as a base because I do want to go in with one of these Morphe shimmer shades. I actually want to go in with this one. It's in the color Daze. So it's kind of this cool, kind of a coppery kind of a color, and it has like some silver undertones to it. So if we kind of test it out there, that's kind of what it's looking like. It's really, really pretty, really glittery, but it doesn't seem to be like super opaque, so it definitely does need like a base. I'm gonna go ahead and dot this on to my lid, and then I'm gonna use like a very small detailed brush to lay it down and kind of spread it around. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of dot it on the eye, like so. And then I'm gonna take my little detail brush and we are going to just go in and smooth it out. So pretty and festive. Hello, Christmas. Yes. I don't know, when I think of like holiday looks, I just think of like a nice warm neutral eye with like glitter. That's my idea of a Christmas look. Because glitter makes everything festive, right? And when I'm putting this down, I'm being careful not to really spread it out. I'm kind of almost creating somewhat of a cut crease with the glitter, making a very, very, very like precise line in the lid to where the glitter kind of stops. So if I kind of zoom in, you can kind of see all the glitter. This is actually really, really nice. They really remind me of like the Stila Glitter and Glow. These things, except these things are like $30 and these things are like $5. So don't bend over backwards trying to buy the Stila ones because they're hella expensive. Get you one of these. And then lastly, I'm gonna go into an even darker brown. So the last color that we went into in this palette was this nice chocolate brown down here. I'm actually gonna step it up to this one. We're going to ever so lightly pack this into the outer corner just to add that last little bit of dimension that I wanna add to this. If you are new to my channel, I am like the queen of all things that are black and kind of gothy, and well, I'm not the queen of it, but that's just kind of my steez and just kind of my style. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this onto a nice little brush. But basically where I was going with this is just my style is that. So like my holiday isn't gonna be this like bright, cheery, festive look. Like it's gonna be kind of like, you know, a little bit darker. So I have like darker eyeshadows. It's almost kind of like a festive smoky eye. So I'm taking this and we are just kind of dabbing it into the outer corner. And then we're gonna kind of try to like smush it in with the glitter that we put down just to have this nice little seamless transition here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and drag that same dark color underneath my eye here. We're gonna take on that same brush and we're just gonna go ahead and nicely just kind of drag it down. And then next I'm gonna take a very small blending brush and we're gonna go ahead and take that light, that first ever orange color that we used to blend it out, and we are gonna go ahead and smoke it out down underneath here. Alright, I am gonna go throw on some winged eyeliner and some lashes, and I will be right back. We don't have to go over that because I do it in every damn video, so I'm gonna go do that and we'll be right back with the final look. you guys, that is it. That is my full holiday tutorial. Obviously I put on winged eyeliner and Lilly lashes in the style Goddess, and I put on a nude lip. You can also put on a red lip. I'm not much of like a red lip festive holiday kind of girl. I wanted a nude lip because I am wearing all black right now, so that's how I get into my holiday spirit, just wear all black. But anyways, hopefully this was a cool tutorial for you guys, and I hope that you recreate this, and if you do, post it on Instagram, let me know that you did it. It's a really pretty look. It's very sparkly, it's very natural, but it's very like holiday at the same time. Otherwise, that is it, you guys. Thank you for following along on this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!